Currently 8:30 and I'm about to head to work. I haven't been in office at all this week. I have my backpack packed and I'm gonna go drive. Hey guys, it's currently Saturday. I'm about to go get my hair cut, which I'm very excited for. I also want to get it dyed, but probably not right now, but at least it's less orange. And afterwards, I'm gonna go to this mini golf type of place. Not really quite sure on the details. The top that I'm wearing today, I borrowed from my sister, and it's from Aritzia. And then my jeans are Pull and Bear. This is actually my closet over here. It's like this double full-length mirror closet, which is so useful. I was gonna buy a full-length mirror from IKEA. This is a little wall of pictures over here. I just have my desk. It's a little bit messy, but this is my work desk. I just got it really recently, so I worked at home for the first time. And then this is basically also a standing desk. It can go up and down, which is pretty cool. And also my AirPod case. I bought this shelf from IKEA, and so far it doesn't have like the cubby organizers, but they also sell them at IKEA, so I really want to get some. And this is my bed. It's kind of sad. I want to get new sheets, and then I have these posters above my bed. This area just stores my backpack. This is like a sunset lamp that I brought over from college. That's what it looks like so far.